A major fire broke out at an industrial unit in Delhi's Mayapuri area on Thursday. Triggering panic and a massive firefighting operation, the blaze erupted at a factory located in Phase 1 of the Mayapuri industrial area. According to the Delhi Fire Service, a call regarding the fire was received at around 11:17 am. Firefighters rushed to the spot immediately after receiving the alert. As the flames spread rapidly, authorities deployed additional firefighting units. A total of 18 fire tenders were sent to the location to control the blaze. Officials said the fire had engulfed a factory involved in steel cutting operations and packing materials. The factory was operating from the first and second floors of a building spread across nearly 500 square yards. The structure consisted of a basement, a ground floor, and two upper floors. Eyewitnesses reported seeing thick black smoke rising from the building. The smoke was visible from a considerable distance. The intensity of the fire created concern among workers and people in the surrounding area. Authorities quickly moved to secure the site and prevent any further danger. As firefighting operations continue, a portion of the building collapsed. Officials said parts of the first and second floors gave way during the operation. The collapse was believed to have been caused by structural damage from the intense heat and flames. The incident made firefighting efforts even more challenging. Fire personnel were forced to proceed with caution because of the risk of additional collapses. According to officials, the building suffered significant structural damage. They warned that the structure remains unsafe. The fire department continued its operation despite the difficult conditions. Firefighters worked for several hours to contain the blaze. The presence of industrial equipments and packing materials added to challenge. Combustible materials inside the factory helped the fire spread quickly. Officials monitored the situation closely to prevent the flames from reaching nearby units. The operation continued throughout the afternoon. Teams battled the blaze from multiple sides and the building. Water jets were used continuously to cool the affected areas. After several hours of effort, the fire was finally brought under control. The Delhi Fire Service confirmed that the blaze was controlled at around 2:20 pm. Cooling operations continued even after the main fire was extinguished. Officials wanted to ensure that no hidden hotspots remained inside the damaged structure. Fortunately, no casualties were reported. Authorities said no deaths or injuries had been confirmed till the filing of the report. This came as a major relief considering the scale of the fire and the partial collapse of the building. The exact cause of the fire remains unknown. A detailed investigation has been launched. Officials are expected to examine whether all safety measures were being followed at the factory. The incident has once again highlighted concerns over fire safety in industrial areas. Further details are expected once investigation progresses and technical inspections are completed. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.